So the Diamond ProWare block is a different shape to the vertical block. So it's designed to have a large void at the back, which means there's less concrete is required in the mould. So this means that each block weighs just 24.5 kilograms. So therefore you're able to significantly reduce the block's weight, but while still optimising its strength. So our Diamond ProWare solution is a dry stacking mortarless and pinless system with installation methods available using Site 1 fill. This makes our system more cost effective versus some traditional solutions. It's really easy to build method, means that no specialist labour is required, unlike some other systems. And the Diamond ProWare block is the lightest 200mm block on the market. So this means it's quicker to build, which saves on labour and cost, and it is a one-man lift. So this also means that you get more blocks on a pallet, making deliveries more economical. The system as well is very versatile, and we can incorporate step details, curves and corners into your designs as well. Okay, so we've already spoken about the Diamond ProWare block being a lighter weight block. But in real money, what does this actually mean? So this means that the blocks are a one-man lift. They have built-in handholds, and this means that the customer can build more per day. So the system is designed to be easily built, with each block incorporating a locator lug. So this means that the block that is being stacked on top can be perfectly aligned to give it that 4-degree face as designed, which reduces mistakes in installation. So both of AG's Vertica and Diamond ProWare block solutions are near vertical, so they're not quite 90 degrees, but they are 86 degrees, or in other words, they have just a 4-degree batter. So other manufacturers on the market are around 7-degree batter or more. So that might not sound like a lot in your mind initially, but when you think about the amount of space the lean back of a 7-degree wall takes up compared to a near vertical wall, it starts to matter. Especially with the taller walls. As the higher the walls, the longer the G-grid tails need to be, or if you have a lot of walls over a larger site, other manufacturers' walls then start eating into potential garden space or plot space. On top of that, when you are butting up to a vertical fence post to a wall that is leaning back significantly more than a 4-degree wall, then the aesthetics are compromised and it does become harder to install a cleaner look between the fence and the wall. The 4-degree batter makes the system harder to climb as well, which will give our customers peace of mind. So we can get up to 20 bales per curtain-sided lorry of the Diamond ProWare. This is actually 5 bales more than our vertical block. So this, of course, reduces deliveries, transport costs, and then all of the associated carbon footprint that goes with that as well. We use our anchor wall design software. This allows us to produce an estimated preliminary design and quotation package with bespoke drawings in-house. Within this package, we show the calculations and quantities for all the required materials that go into our solution. So not only does this include our blocks, but it includes the drainage stone and the backfill and everything else that you need to incorporate into the system to allow the contractors to accurately price this for their tenders.